Wow, we got 3,300 people who joined this live. Thank you guys for joining this live. Sige na po. Sige na ako sa bahay. Miss na namin kayo. It's been a week simula nung sulong event. Yeah, sulong event. The last event we had was sulong, I guess. It was December 23. Yeah, December 23, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was based on my sa pag-aalala ko is December 23. Kumusta araw mo, Ton? Okay lang. Pumunta ako sa sa bahay namin. Flex your haircut. No, I'm not gonna flex my haircut because I'm not yet confident with it. Pag pag humaba na siya ng konti, let's go. I have the sketch pad for you. Wow. Bigay mo sa akin sunod. Minjong, I miss you. 저도 보고 싶어요. 필리핀에 오면 연락 주세요. 연락 주세요. 1 year na, bro. Mag-resign na ba ako sa work, bro? Huwag ka na mag-resign, bro. Everybody needs money, and then if you have a work, then you have a money. Wala yan, boy. Dito lang guys, prepare. Yuan, hi Tonton. Balik na kayo sa Tarlac. 1 year na bukas pag seaside. 1 year na bukas yun sa SM Seaside. Saan yun? Parang sa Cebu ba yun? Seaside. Asan si Jiro? I don't know where he is. Maybe he's in their house, I guess. Maybe. Anyong minsan pa. Asan si Vinci? Maybe he's in his room, but I've met him kanina sa baba. May TikTok kayo ni kay Tito Jason na, oo, tropa kami nun kay Jason. TMI, lagi ko siyang nakikita sa TikTok ko. Even in my dump account, lagi ko siyang nakikita and sabi ko, ano yun? Bakit parang kilala ng TikTok yung mga ko, yung mga taong kilala ko. Sabi ko, musta Tonton? I'm okay. Sinulog nung last year. Oh, yeah. Kasi it was January. Yeah. Ton pa notice. Bro, will you watch 80s concert? Please. Yes, I will watch kung meron. Kakaligo ko lang eh. Actually, hindi ako nag-blower. Hindi pa ako nag-blower. Kaya, it's kinda messy. Pero ito yung gagamitin ko ng blower. Actually, nandito ako sa room ni Tad. Kasi may wifi. May wifi kasi si Tad kaya dito ako nakakonect. Nakaka-miss yung music show niyo sa Korea. Me too, I miss Korea. I miss music show, bro. don't know. Can't get it all. Baby, I'm sorry. That it got me lonely. Take a while. Yay! Wait lang guys ha, may kukunin lang ako. Diyan lang kayo. Then I will be back. I'm just gonna get something. Okay? Stay there. Wait, how to turn off the camera? Flip camera. Gini ka. Kuha lang ako ng kutsara para makakain na ako. Okay? I'm back. I'm back. So I'm just gonna eat, guys. So watch me while I'm eating, bro. Pistol face. Oh, what? Bro, it's still in the phase where we met and had photos during 80s movie premiere sa Mega Mall. David Joss. Finally, you're live now. Yeah. It's been a long time. What you eating? Adobo and chicken. Thoughts of long term. They're good. They're very good vocalists. I mean, most of them are singers, right? Because I've been listening to them. I mean, I've watched their, some of their TikToks. Mga content nila, napapanood ko. They're very good. Good singers. Isang Hi Ayla. Hi Ayla. Kola Vice Race Ray Kergod. Vice Ray Kergod. Tun gawa ka video tutorials for crochet. Ano ba yung gusto niyong Anong gusto niyo yung turo ko? What do you want me to teach you? Right? No filter nga. No. Makikita niyo yung buhok ko. Pakabusog may bias. Thank you. Same as ulam tan. Oh. Minsan napansin ako, pupunta talaga ako sa Run Festival na April. Punta ka. Flex mo na hair matan. No. J isang J. Hi J. Anyong J? I-end ko yung live ko after ko kumain. Okay? Late na ako masyado. Hindi ka naman late, sakto lang. Can you say good luck? First day ko sa OJT. Good luck! Fighting you. You can do it. Pwede request song po. Sino? Ikaw magre-request ng song o ako? Guys, makinig na lang kayo. Kakain muna ako ha. Kasi maganda ako. Free fire. Gahit ha. Dinner, anong ulam mo? Adobo. Adobo at chicken. I'm gonna be a freak to run. Freaker. Wait lang guys ha. Anong tawag sa haircut mo? I don't know actually. I just pagupit lang ako doon. Tapos tinuro ko lang yung bakit ka live? Grabe naman Ara. Bakit ka live? Hindi ko po alam kung bakit ako live. Na-miss ko lang kayo lahat. Live by and happen afternoon. Okay. Knife. Breaking news.
7 vampires, under a red notice for breaking a major taboo, have been spotted moving openly through the city. Despite repeated efforts by the VPU, the group continues to stay one step ahead. Let's take a look at the footage.
It's a knife. It's a knife. It's a knife. 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 Bagay sa yung haircut mo dun. Weh, sinungaling ka. Sinungaling yan. Feel ko pinagtatawanan mo ako ngayon. Yeah, bagay sa'yo. It's a knife. It's a knife. It's a knife. Punta kayo sa summer, Tad. Gusto ko nga pumunta sa summer. Sana mag-comeback na kayo. Antayin nyo na, guys. Wait for it. Anong last name mo, kuya? Pineda. I'm from Samar, Ufia. Hi. Taga-Samar ka? Ang cute mo ngayon. Maybe because of the filter. Oh my god. Beautiful. Yeah. Ito yung favorite song ko ngayon eh. Wait lang guys ah. Do you guys know a song na X by Close Your Eyes? Oh I did on speed Dada time and Mama dada dee No 6, 7, 8 Can't do the take a D Oh and then Gonna come and tame Fire days I'm blazing No 6, 7, 8 Can't do the take a D To the max, getting on to the max. Getting on to the max. Wait, ang lyrics. Turn down. Oh, 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 down on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Hey, let me on my speed. I'm time and Mama dada dee. 5, 6, 7, 8, get to the Takaji. No one there. Shame. 5 days I'm blazing. To the max. I'm such a fan. Yung main vocals nila, ang galing niya mag cursive kumanta. Super solid niya. Long shot moonwalking, napakinggan na namin. Uy, si Rebecca to Rebecca Pineda. Jump by Blackpink. Okay, after nito, Jump by Blackpink. Like a G, yeah. Ganda ng voice, oh. Di naman. Thank you, Ton, kaya love kita eh. Jump. Blackpink. I'm not easy to take. I'm not easy to take. Wishing. Tears on the ice. Feels good. Should get na, but that did na. Pag ano buong jiwa. Ay, good luck sa exam mo. Galingan mo lagi. See you. McDonald's was good. Mr. Chu. Mr. Chu, nanisano. Ito yun yung Mr. Chu. Yun yan ba? Kinanta namin. Mr. Chu, Johnny Ganana. Love me more, A-Pink. That pink in your area. Jellica for my upcoming NCAE. Good luck sa upcoming NCAE mo, Jellica. Ingat ka lagi and fighting. You can do it. Ito pa request ako na by Aja. Ako na ang bibigyan, ako na ang bibigyan. Mr. Joey Pink next. Harap lang ako dito kasi pag gumanito ako, matatanggal ang filter. Kikitimbo ko.
아, 정말 일단 이쁘네요.
Special edition and your AI couldn't cop.
Guys. Tagal na ito, 11 years ago. Ilang taon pa lang ako? 10 years old. 10 years old pa lang ako. Yes po. Ito, yung masarap siyang nasi, God bless you always. Thank you guys. Say true, and so we met you, and the sweet bay, and I need to see you. I can't turn it to let it go.
작은 말투도 나쁘지 않은 걸 없이 손을 잡고 조금 놀라도 쉽지가 않은 걸 꽃등처럼 파랗던 하늘은 벌써 까맣고 걱정은 없어져 I gotta tell you this 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌 나도 너무 좋아 but I'm really 아쉬워 벌써 12시 어떻게 벌써 12시네 보내주기 싫은 걸 알고 있어 high up feeling 음악에 맞춰 사랑을 속삭이고 싶어 솔직히 우리들 마음이 같은 걸 같은 생각인 걸 알고 있는데 더 이상은 솔직할 수 없는 걸 한참 우린 닮은 것도 많았지 열심히 먹을 때도 말야
Thank you guys for gifts. Thank you so much. 사랑해.
좀더 일찍 알았다면 어땠을
OMG, room makeover. Hindi ko to room. Kay Tad to. Tito Ox. Hi, Tito Ox. Thank you. I become a... What? Become a title gift for person. Wow! Maureen, kanina ka pa. Hindi bagay sa akin. For sure, tinatawanan mo ako ngayon. Tinatawanan mo ako ngayon, no?
조그만큼 붙잡고 있는 걸 Baby 소원할게요 꺼지면 전부 다 빛나 어쩌면 나 놓아버리지 말라 I'm really trying to make you see
First time ko makita si Winston mag-live. Wow. Really? Thoughts mo sa ride? I'm very, very, very proud of them. Kasi, ano ko sila eh. Close friend ko din sila eh. Yung mga, ano yun, member ng ride. Sobrang fan ako nila. Ganda ng taste. Taste ng song. First time mo this 2026. So nga eh. First time. Game Boy. It's Game Boy. Play. Kuya, bad trip ako pag patugtog ka ng year patugtog ka ng year niya. What's year niya? Shoutout from Northern Summer. Hi, Angelix. Aga mo mag-live. Pahinga Horizon, please. Tantan na lang ito ng pahinga. Why so you're so pogy? I don't know. Maybe because of the filter. Salamat na basa mo din, Wislan. Kuya Ton, pa-shoutout. Hi, Aning. Shoutout sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Gusto naman siya. Wait lang. Ay, this song I really wanna sing this song. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Why do stars fall down from the sky?
Minsan parang James Ray. Sino? Ako?
You
Huwag niyo akong niloloko.
just like me, they long to be close to you.
Anong sikat ngayon guys na kanta na kino-cover song? Ng mga nung maraming kinakanta ng mga sa TikTok. Basta kinakanta ng mga tao. Tala Yearning Part. Ano yun? Yun ba yung hindi. Yun ba yun? Hindi man ako ilagay sa mundong ito para sa'yo. Yun ba yun? Patingin ang buong daigdig bago ko'y yakap-yakap mo. Oh. Gusto ko yung Little Prince eh. Little Prince nila JL. Little Prince ni JL and Park Han. Little Prince. Sino bias mo sa AUF? JL. JL and Park Han. 다가와 우리는 잠깐 내게 말했어 섭보겠지만 still. Ito yung pinakagusto ko na kinover ng Enhypen. Deeds. Jao. Hi, Clar and Jao. Ingat kayo lagi. Sino bars mo sa NFN? Jungwon? Jungwon and Hisong and Jake. Up to fate, it's woven in my soul. I need to let you go.
Your eyes they shine so bright. I wanna say that line.
I can't escape this now unless you show me how. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Hey. Kinig tayo ng mga cover song ni Jaeyoung ng NCT.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. And my last love has arrived. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright,
I need you, baby, to warm my lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust.
hey guys, gonna end the live na. Bye guys. Thank you guys for joining the live. It was good, seeing you all here in my live. Ingat kayo, bye. Thank you. I love you.